Today, if you look at the global pharma industry, one important challenge is how can the drug discovery be totally transformed. The reasons are simple because the number of blockbuster drugs which we've been seeing for ages has now completely gone down. The number of new chemical entities or new molecular entities in terms of their number also is coming down on a relative scale. With all that, when you turn towards what are the reasons for it, first and foremost is drug discovery. When you look at it, it really requires some amount of transformation. And if you look at drug discovery at large, it has typically quite a number of steps, right from target identification to target validation to lead optimization to preclinical development to clinical development to post-marketing surveillance, and last but not the least, even adverse event management. With such an amount of complexities around, you see typically the time taken anywhere between 10 to 15 years for the entire process to be completed, with the caveat that not more than 10% of the times you can see a product really getting into the market. So effectively 90% of the time, the entire effort of 10 to 15 years, and if I have to quantify in terms of revenues or expenses, it could actually be over $1 billion to $2 billion. With this kind of a complexity, and if you are seeing a 10% success rate, obviously industry would be looking at, is there a way to address this challenge? And can AI be the answer to this particular challenge? And answer is, today if you see that, answer is AI can be an answer to circumvent this problem. How it can do that? If you look at the processes right from the target identification to validation, you look at most of the time the failures actually start happening from there itself. So how can AI help in terms of predicting the failure rate? So if it can actually help in terms of analyzing large data sets in terms of compound screening and helps in terms of predicting the potential failures, that's one step which the industry is looking at. It can actually kind of circumvent that issue of looking at failures at a later stage of the discovery program. Second thing is data complexity is enormous. Can that be reduced? Answer is yes, because AI can have the ability to analyze data coming up either from genomics or from proteomics or from the chemical data, and then you can actually look at doing a kind of molecular interactions by these AI and machine learning algorithms, and try to give a perspective to the bench scientists saying that yes, this could be a possible way of compound screening, and thereby reducing the efforts and time for the same. Last and important thing is application of AI and machine learning in terms of adverse event management. I think this is yet another important aspect of drug discovery. So if that can actually be also taken up by AI, the whole process can be much more streamlined. More importantly, if you look at the drug discovery program of 10 to 15 years, can that be relatively reduced in terms of time? And the cost of $1 to $2 billion, can that be reduced in terms of effort, in terms of cost? That becomes a big bonanza for the industry to look at a drug discovery program in a refurbished way. And we can see that of late, even the regulators started accepting application of AI and the usage of AI in the drug discovery, and regulators started even accepting those compounds which are screened using the AI and machine learning algorithms. And with that, we can actually feel that answer for transformation of drug discovery program, yes, AI could be an answer, Vijay. And let's see that more and more such companies are coming in towards adopting this. Thank you so much.